Let's make a list for our weight loss. We need high protein desi staples. Yes, definitely chana, paneer and oats. I'll write it down. And paneer, oats and yogurt for variety. This will help us lose 25 kg.
This 7-day meal plan is for two 20-year-old girls, providing 1400 calories daily from dal, sabzi and rotis. The full plan is on screen.
Okay, Neha, our diet plan. We only have the kettle and induction. Right. For breakfast, oats in the kettle. Yes. And lunch is boiled eggs and salad. Perfect. And stir-fry veggies for dinner on the induction. And effective. Hi everyone, we're starting a 30-day no sugar tea and fried snacks challenge. Day 1, no sugar nutty and roasted makhana for evening snacks. We'll gradually cut sugar and try different makhana flavors. Join us, comment your See you tomorrow. Okay, top 10 Indian breakfast for us. Moong dal chilla, poha with starch, idli, so healthy. Right. Then vegetable paratha, dosa, and paneer bhurji. That's 10. Hi everyone, let's start this fat burning workout. First high knees, go. Now for squats, down and up. Great, let's do lunges. Step forward, push-ups and burpees now. Let's go. Last one, you're doing great.
In week 1, we begin with 12 rounds of sun salutations, focusing on alignment. By week 2, we've doubled to 24 rounds, building 408, a powerful milestone.
Hi, welcome to our high-energy Bollywood dance workout. We'll burn 500 calories with this fun routine. Let's start with some side steps and claps. Now add high knees, feel that burn. Great job, time to cool down.
Let's start with squats. Keep your back straight and lower down. Next, bicep curls. Squeeze at the top. Now for shoulder presses. Push straight up. Finally, tricep extensions. Control the movement.
I really shouldn't. Those sweets look so heavy. I know. Let's just say no this time. Yes, we should stick to our plan. Exactly. No to the heavy sweets. We got this. Hi, a week-long Indian wedding is fun, but can be tough for our diet. Yes, so much differentiation. Dance it off, eat hydrated and keep moving. Tip 3, enjoy, but in moderation. You can do it.
To hit 10,000 steps, we'll walk 3 times a day on this terrace. Morning, afternoon, and evening. Each walk is 15 minutes. And 1,000 more from daily stuff. Let's do this.
Hey everyone, with exams, we're snacking healthy to avoid weight gain. Yeah, like these nuts and berries, so much better than junk food. And meditation helps with stress. Let's do a quick one. Close your eyes, breathe in, hold, and out. We did it! We lost 10 kg, but now we're stuck. It's so fun, but I'm waking up now. She's right, let's mix up our workouts, track our food, and get back on track. We got this! Wow, so many options now. I know, right? This pink one is calling my name. It's perfect. We earned this. Totally. Let's find more. Definitely. Hi, let's track your progress with a measuring tape. Okay, show me. First, wrap the tape around your waist, level with your belly button. Okay, like this, about 28 inches. Perfect. Now for your hips. Got it. Hi, today we're prepping our Indian meals for the week. First, we'll chop our veggies. I'm chopping carrots, onions, and zucchini, and I'll get the water boiling for dal. This makes the whole week so much easier.
Here's a 25 kg weight loss plan for two 20-year-old Indian girls costing less than 2,000 rupees per month. Add 500 rupees for exercises like squats and yoga. That's less than 2,000 total.
Hi, we're sharing 5 detox drinks to boost your metabolism. First, Jeera Dhanya water. Next, Haldi water. Just mix turmeric and warm water. We also have Elaichi water. So refreshing. Try them all. Okay, let's plan how to keep this weight off for good. Good idea. Staying hydrated is key. We should always carry water. And balanced meals. No more crash diets. Right. And keep up our workouts. We got this. Together.